Welcome back, everybody, to the Mountain Morning Show. We got some delicious food cooking up right now. I'm joined by Chef Mike with No Name Gourmet. We're talking about October being non-GMO month.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Your hands are busy.
I would shake your hand, but I'm just about...
I'm Italian. I just talk with my hands.
I'm going to start cooking this fish for what we're doing.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So right now we are cooking up the fish for some non-GMO red Thai curry, fish tacos.
Yes, sir.
So how important is it to have a non-GMO month?
I think non-GMO is important because it gives us an opportunity to look at products that haven't been modified.
Okay.
Because that's what it means.
Okay.
Genetically modified organism is what GMO stands for. And the non-GMO project has their own website. The folks from Saffron Road, who I'm representing today here, they make some really great non-GMO products. This is really cooking. Yes. Which means it's coming at us a little bit, but that's okay because in this cast iron it's gonna fry up really nice.
So how much of all of this is non-GMO, and this is all from red saffron?
Well, actually, Saffron Road is the company that provided the. They provide some simmer sauces, which are out here on the counter today. Okay. I brought like 6 flavors. There's some really awesome stuff. There's a Korean sauce. There's a harissa sauce. There's even a. This one's a little bit spicy. Do you like spicy food? I
love spicy food. Okay. Absolutely love it.
But they have one that's a coconut korma sauce. Okay. I brought these potatoes just to mention that if you wanted to and you don't like spicy, you could use vegetables to make a vegetable dish. Okay. Like a curry dish with that. So, yeah, it's an awesome thing. Like I said, they're part of the non-GMO project, and their products are non-GMO certified. Okay. And they just provide some really delicious stuff. They're probably what would be described as the nation's #1 natural frozen food company. They also make snacks, and then they make these simmer sauces. I mean, it smells absolutely delicious. And as a chef, how important is it for you to be working with these type of ingredients? It's really important. You know, I take pride in what I do. These are lovely California avocados that we made into the guacamole today. Sometimes we get good stuff from Mexico. This is the salsa I made with some heirloom tomatoes from the folks that in California and Utah from another company called Howling. So a lot of these products are natural products. And the more you stay towards the natural side, the more delicious things are. Yes, and it's very important for someone like me to have delicious food, but it's also affordable. Yeah, and sometimes everybody doesn't have me at home to cook for them. Yes. Yeah, so for someone, I did say I'm Italian, but I'm ashamed because I'm not a great cook. How easy is it to make these type of dishes? Well, this dish is really easy. Okay. This is Alaskan cod. And I actually put it in the sauce last night, so we marinated it overnight. And then this is just a hot pan. If you have a non-stick pan that isn't cast iron, you could do it that way. Okay. I'm just cooking this until the fish is done. Okay. And then we're going to plate up these tacos. And how long does the fish usually take to cook? Is this the most difficult part of the whole thing? This is the most difficult part. And it only takes a couple of minutes. Perfect, easy. The truth is, when I was here last time, we did fish for breakfast. It's kind of a fish for breakfast thing that I'm doing about every time the last 2 times I've been here. I mean, fish for breakfast sounds like a great breakfast to me. I do not mind having fish for breakfast. But basically all we're looking for is that when this fish flakes like that, that means it's done. Okay. So now we are plating. I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. Give it one more stir. We get a little bit of char on here on the outside. And again, it smells delicious. Oh yeah. The other thing about these sauces is on the front of the package. I'm going to actually pull one right here. This one is the Korean stir fry. And you may notice that it has a little heat level indicator on the front. Okay. So some are medium, some are hot, and some are mild. I mean, it's easy to know. I know some people really don't like spicy food, so to have that on there to help them gauge what their heat temperature is going to be is super easy and very, very welcoming to people who may be new.
Yeah, I mean, I love like ghost pepper stuff, and I know some people who would not touch that with a 10-foot pole. So
There you go.
perfect. So we're plating right now.
So basically, here's our tacos.
Okay.
And then usually what I do is I would go on with some salsa.
Okay.
If you have some really good locally made salsa, that's fine.
Okay.
I have some really good salsa that I just made for an event recently, which is what this is.
Okay.
And that's why I'm putting that on the tacos this morning.
Looks delicious.
And then nothing like a little guacamole. Just one small spoon on each one.
I mean, you can tell he is a very professional chef, but because not only does it smell good, but he's giving great presentation right now.
There you go. And then you can put just about any kind of cabbage on here.
Okay.
Today I just picked regular white cabbage, but I put a little bit of cilantro in there. So we just garnish these up. These corn tortillas here were listed as taco sliders.
Okay.
They look a little bit to me like the ones that come off the taco truck.
Let's see if we can get a close-up of that. It looks delicious, and I'm definitely going to be trying that. So we got a good close-up of that. And again, non-GMO, which, I mean, how should people be afraid of GMO foods, or what's the whole deal with GMO foods?
Well,
I'm going to dig into this.
The honest truth about it is that there are some foods that are genetically modified that are okay. It's not that every food is genetically modified, but some are better for you than others. And so if you tend to lean away from GMO, does that taste good?
That is absolutely delicious. It's juicy, tastes very authentic. Yes.
Yeah, the sauces are really good. So if you go to Whole Foods or Natural Grocers or Smith's and you pick up this stuff and have it in your pantry, it can transform fish or chicken, or if you eat meat, into something really delicious.
I mean, that is good. It tastes fresh. It's juicy. There's that nice spice to it.
Sure.
If people want to find out more information about you, Chef Mike, where can they go to?
Well, I have a website. It's nonamegourmet.com. And the non-GMO project is non-GMOproject.org. And then the folks from Saffron Road have their own website, which is saffronroad.com.
And I believe you can follow them on social media at Saffron Road. Easy enough. Thank you so much, man, for coming on and cooking this delicious food and talking about non-GMO month.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here this morning, and I love being in Park City. The weather's getting a little bit chilly, and honest to goodness, it's making me think about the fact that I spend most of my time here in the winter in Park City and Deer Valley for the most part, serving clients here. So
it's a beautiful place to be.
It's a good time to book your events with me because it's filling up fast. It's amazing this year.
Dear guys, if his cooking profile is anything like these tacos, then you are in good hands with this man. Chef Mike, guys, non-GMO month all October. We have to take a commercial break, but we'll be back with more Mountain Morning Show coming up.